In this video, I'll show you how to write cold outreach messages with Claude AI. This is a quick way to create professional messages for reaching out to potential clients or contacts. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to write a cold outreach message. For example, I might type, "Write a cold outreach email offering social media marketing services to small businesses." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a professional outreach message, including a greeting, introduction, value proposition, and closing. If I want a more targeted message, I can add more details in the prompt, such as the industry, audience, or goal of the outreach. For example, I might type, "Write a cold outreach email offering website design services to local restaurants." Claude can also help adjust the tone of the message, making it more friendly, formal, or persuasive. Once the message looks good, I can copy the text and use it in my email or messaging platform. And that's it. I've successfully written a cold outreach message using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.